Hello everyone, I hope all you are fine. This is another GK video for you on chapter Famous People of Europe, and the page number is 16 and 17. There are 7 continents in the world and Europe is one of the continent among them. And there are 51 countries in Europe. Frederick is from Sweden. Do you know that Alexander was one of the earliest leaders in European history? Let's know more about him. Alexander the Great was the king of the ancient Great Kingdom of Macedonia from 336 to 326 BC. He is regarded as history's greatest conqueror who established the largest empire in ancient Europe. Conqueror means who captured the land with the help of his strong force and ruled over there. So, name these famous personalities from Europe who are famous in their own field. Use the help box as your guide. So, look at the first question and written there, an English naturalist who came up with the theory of evolution. So, the answer is Charles Darwin. Naturalist means a type of biologist who studies the impact of living species and the environment which they live. Evolution is the change the characteristics of a species over several generations. Now the question number 2. He was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect and poet. And the answer is Michelangelo. The action of art of making statues by carving sculpture typically works with hard stones. Number 3. A Spanish painter who is considered one of the most famous artists in the world. And the answer is Pablo Picasso. He was a sculptor, printmaker and theatre designer who spent most of his life in France. Number 4. A French inventor who invented the Braille system. And the answer is, all of you know, Louis Braille. He was a French educator and inventor of a system of reading and writing for use by the blind or visually impaired. Braille was himself blinded at the age of 3 in an accident. And the number 5, an Italian astronomer and physicist who is considered as the father of modern physics. And the answer is Galileo Galilei. He developed the telescope to enable close observation of the night sky and was imprisoned for his theory that the sun was at the center of the universe. And the question number 6, a British novelist and screenwriter who is famous for the Harry Potter series of books. I know all of you know the answer. So the answer is J.K. Rowling. Joanne Rowling is better known by her pen name J.K. Rowling. She had the idea for Harry Potter while delayed on a train travelling from Manchester to London King's Cross in 1990. So this much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.